Hi everybody, I'm Larry Levin, President of Trading Advantage, and welcome to the next YouTube video. And this one's going to be a little bit different. I was off for the first 3 days of this week, and a lot of people, my students, my employees, they ask me what do I do when I take a few days off. And a lot of times I'll go to Las Vegas. I've been to Jamaica dozens of times. Big fan of that. But I only took 3 days off, and I spent it here in Chicago. And I did a few really enjoyable things. I thought maybe you'd like to hear about them. The first day, on Monday, I spent the whole day hanging out with my dog. And I got a beautiful chocolate lab. The weather's starting to finally turn kind of springtime here in Chicago. And so I spent the whole day with my Labrador Retriever. We walked, basically kind of felt like the entire Lake Michigan lakefront here in Chicago. It probably was a little less than that, but her and I both passed out that afternoon for a nice long nap. It was a pretty good first day of my days off. I really enjoyed it. And for those of you guys who haven't spent much time here in Chicago along the lakefront, it's probably one of the most beautiful places you could spend any time. I highly recommend coming and checking us out here in the Chicagoland area during either the spring or the summer. The second day, what I did was I did a little watch shopping. And for those of you guys who don't know, I'm a big watch fan. I've got a pretty big watch collection, and I always try and find some cool ones. I didn't buy any, but I did try and make a few deals. I know of a few high-end used watch stores out there here in the Chicagoland suburbs, and I tried to check some things out and make a few deals. Couldn't get anybody to meet my price. You know me, I always stick to my price, and I bid low when I'm trying to buy something. Nobody was willing to go low enough, so I didn't make any purchases, but I did have a lot of fun checking out some stuff and seeing what's out there on the used high-end watch market. For those of you guys who are looking right now, there's an awful lot of good watches out there. And then the third and final day, I went and saw something I've been thinking about for a number of months now. Here at the Field Museum in Chicago, they have a new exhibit on a baby woolly mammoth that died when it was 1 month old. It's the most complete woolly mammoth they've ever found in history. In fact, it pretty much looks like the woolly mammoth if it was a woolly mammoth was alive today. And it was pretty cool to go check that out. Again, we have some great museums here in Chicago, and they're a lot of fun. So I highly recommend coming to check us out here in Chicago. And I figured I'd make a little bit of a different YouTube video, kind of show you guys maybe what I do when I'm not trading. So I hope you enjoyed that. I'm Larry Levin, President of Trading Advantage, and tune in again. Thanks.